Hello everyone, my name is Ronald Qlarkson and today I'll be going to show you how to make a professional contract in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's start. First you need to type like me onto left corner data like your company name, your name and surname, address and postal box. Next you need to type a contact name. After that, you need to type the main part of the contract, which means you need to make all conditions and stuff like that. Then please add the signature of worker and employer. Now I'm going to teach you how to save your contract. Go to the top left corner and press on this circle. Then press Save As, and then Other Formats. And that's all, bye bye, goodbye, dovidanja. And I want to send my best regards to my loyal friend Qlarkosn.